Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So, guys, I think this video will be important for you too. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to do a normal edit with the video using Davinci Resolve 17 and how to export exactly. So we all welcome you to stay till the end of the video. As soon as you open Resolve 17, you should see a window like this. Here we are going to do a little editing today because the purpose of this video is not to edit, simply edit a small video and export it. First of all, we are on the edit page, so this is where we import with the media. Right click here and click on import media, then add the kind of video or image you like. Can be done. Then drag and drop it right into this timeline. You can also cut a video from this page, but these Blackmagic users have a dedicated page for that too. Here they have created in a straightforward way for you to edit a video in a simple way. It is very easy to analyze the video in the way that only the video in the timeline appears here. But first, how to cut and remove a video from the edit page. Let's see if you can do it using these above tools. But if you always use the shortcuts for this, it will be a great advantage for you when you are busy, so you can easily do it by pressing Ctrl and on the keyboard. If you want, they have also provided the ease of editing by marking only the part you want in the video you want and getting it in the way you want. All you have to do is go to the video you want and press the letter I. You go to the end of the video. Press O letter and you can easily set it like this. Click on this icon. Now, let me show you. Only the marked part here is lighted. So, you can export this in any way you like. If you are uploading this video to YouTube, press the YouTube icon and the video will be exported. But I want this video as a normal video, so press this first icon and rename it. I call it an intro video. But you can use any name if you want. Now click on this browse and give an output to render this video, and click on this format. Click on MP4 and codec H264 resolution maybe. I am going to full HD and frame rate 60. Select this quality automatic and type best. Then click on add to render and click on render all. So guys, in this video, I told you how to easily edit videos and make them export. So, if you like the video, then definitely like it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will see you in another video like this.